Hello learners, welcome to the new video of Python series, and this video based on Python syntax, and this is the second video of Python series. Execute Python syntax. We can execute Python syntax directly by writing on the command lines. Here is the example: print hello words and output will be hello words. Or we can create a Python file in Notepad and other software. Only save that file in .py file extension and running it in the command line. Python indentation. Indentation refer to the white space or space at the beginning of a code line. Where in the other programming language the indentation is a curly brackets and semicolons and other. Also, indentation provide the readability in Python programming, and indentation is very important in Python programming. Without indentation, the code of our programming will be wrong. If we don't use a indentation in the scope of loop and other scope, Python uses indentation to indicate a block of codes. So now we want to execute a simple program by using the indentation concept. So here a simple program: if 10 greater than 9. And in this program, firstly we want to show you how the indentation is important. Firstly, I remove the indentation and want to show how and what error will show when we make this type mistake. Right? 10 is greater than 9 and then execute. You can see that indentation error expected an indented block. In second last line you can see that error is appear. Now I give a space before the print statement and now then execute, and it give me a correct answer. 10 is greater than 9 and successfully my program execute by using correct. Comments in Python. Comments make our program easy to understand. We can make a line as a comment by using hash symbol before that line. Python has commenting capability for the purpose of in-code documentation. If you not subscribe our channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for more update and share our video. If you want to multi-line as a comment in Python, you have to write hash symbol before all the lines to make that line as a comment. Python does not facilitate to make multi-line comment. Now, how to make a comment? Simply hash symbol and write your comment. This is our comment. This is the format to make a comment. Thanks for watching.